Hello, Ian. Namaste from Nepal. Today I'm in the near the beautiful environment and beautiful flow of winds come in my face. And today is my brother and sister, and I'm giving them the meditation. And Sukuti, how many sound you hear that I give you the sound meditation just now?
I hear 10 sounds.
Yeah.
That birds, dogs, insects,
Okay, perfect. And Sisti?
bird sound, river sound, and birds.
Oh, Smriti.
I can hear sound of river,
Mm.
birds, insect,
Oh, perfect. And okay, dog sound. And Saskar.
I can feel relaxed to connect nature. I can hear bird sound, insect sound, river sound, and many more.
Thank you.